Yeah, now the Benedictines, particularly the missionary Benedictines, are now like a family. It's an international family. Be they Germans or Tanzanians or Togolese or Koreans, Chinese, South Americans, we belong to one international family. And I think something which was like in the past, some are up, they had power, they were the ones who came to the missions, they had a higher position. This is gone. We are now a fraternal kind of international family. And if there are questions, even about the past history, like the collected museum materials, I think it's something which can be spoken about very amicably, very fraternally, and a way for the future can be found.
Thank you.
Thank